It's Tips and Tricks with Tyler and Terry. WR, auto enter and exit.
So we did an 8-inch pool, and that's the plan for the day.
Okay, cool.
It's great. Hang on, guys. So I really appreciate you helping me out. I've been really busy recently.
Well, I'm just happy to be out of the hustle and bustle of production.
Jesse, this is Terry, and this is Tyler.
What's up, Jesse?
Hey, guys.
Hey, we brought someone to help out today. Hey, Corey.
Good gosh, he's tall. Be careful looking up to him, might hurt your neck.
Yeah, I see that.
Hey, Jesse, let's do this.
All right. Okay, Corey, this WR has auto enter, correct?
Yes,
Will you walk me through that?
sure. First thing we're going to do is hit F1
Okay.
and then use the knob to adjust our depth. In this case, Donnie said we're going to cut 8 inches deep.
Okay.
What are you goobers doing? Get out of here.
Just wanted to see.
All right, next we're going to turn the drum on,
Okay.
and then we're going to hit the red button and use the joystick to set us into the cut. We have to hold the joystick down the whole time, and
Okay.
we're going to watch the display to see our numbers show how deep we are.
All right, guys. Beat it.
Jeez.
All right, now that we're at depth, let's go to mixing. Now we're at the end of our cut, so we're going to use almost the same procedure to come out of the cut. You're going to hit the red button, and this time push the joystick up, and we can do this either going forwards or backwards, but since we're going to go forwards this time, it's going to adjust all the parameters to set all the doors, and we're going to come out of the cut without leaving a pile.
Okay, cool.
So Jesse, we're at the end of the job now. What do you think of the machine?
I feel much more comfortable with it, and I'm ready to take it to a job site.
Cool. Before we do that, I'm going to show you one more feature called Auto Track.
Awesome. Looking forward to it. Hey, Corey, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why are you sitting on the ground instead in the seat?
I wanted you to feel like the tallest person in the room for once.
Oh, aren't you just a sweetie pie?
To be continued.